teaching you guys how to make your very own collage board. I am so proud of myself. Look how good that looks. Not to brag. And let's just get right on into this video. All you need is a canvas or something hard to like put it on. I used a canvas, some Mod Podge, which you can just get from Target for like $5. Some spongy brushes, which you can also get at Target. Pretty much everything you can get at Target. And then everything else is just the pictures and like little things you want to glue onto your board. The first thing that you guys need to do is print out all of your pictures. If you love photography, you can make this a photography board. If you love fashion, you can make a fashion board. Pretty much all the pictures on my board I found on Pinterest. So yeah, you guys can look on Pinterest, Visco, anywhere you want. My family just got a new printer and I used the new printer to print out all of these things and it turned out like really great. This is so cool. I haven't had a printer in years, but I did not know that you can connect your printer to your phone and then print things out from your phone. That is how I printed out each of these things. I'm using regular paper. I don't know if like cardboard, no, not cardboard. What's it called? Not blueprint paper. Construction paper. I don't know if construction paper is better, but this is just the paper that I have at home. And then once you print the pictures out, you're just going to cut them. I did all this yesterday, by the way, guys. I did all the printing and cutting out yesterday. So I put all of the pictures down on my board ahead of time and I just took a picture so that I just have like an idea of like what to follow, because like it's like way easier to do it like that. And that actually helped me so much when I was putting this together. After that, this is just what you do. Woo! I want to show you guys a couple of the pictures. I thought this was the most beautiful picture ever. This is from Ali Boss. This is her house. And look how cute it is. Like, that is definitely going on my vision board because I want that house. This kind of sounds a bit sassy, but I'm too busy working on my own drafts to notice if yours is greener. I was like, that's actually good though, you know? I mean, yeah, it sounds a little bit sassy, but you're focused on getting your goals. And then I was thinking about putting like someone else's channel or like editing my channel to say like 10,000 subscribers or like 10 million subscribers. I mean, you know, sky's the limit. I ended up just taking a screenshot of like basically where my subscribers are at now, but I just wanted to like keep it there because then I can like look at it every day and see how far I've gone. I'm gonna put this like right in the center of my board. Yeah, so then I have some goats because I want goats one day. I was going to put a Highland cow on my vision board, but I didn't have any space for it, so I decided to go for the goats. And I have no idea why I'm putting this on my vision board, but it makes me happy. Look how cute that is. Like, are you kidding me? I found this picture of like a bunch of butterflies in front of a sky. I thought it'd be fun to like cut it out and put the butterflies along the pictures, and they turned out so beautiful. This looks so pretty. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna put like everything down, and then these will be the last touch to like put around it. And I'm so excited. So I wanted to talk to you guys really quick about the canvases. Also, watch how satisfying this is. I had this canvas in my closet for a while and I was like, okay, this is like a good canvas to use as a vision board. But when we went to Target to get the Mod Podge, which is basically like the glue and seal that you use, I got these, and which is also lucky because it came in a pack of 2 because my sister's gonna be making one. Look how small these are gonna be. I did not even know, but now it looks like so tiny. I'm gonna use these for like painting or something, but I'm gonna be using the bigger ones for my vision board. So me and my sister are going to put it on our door because we think that's like a good place, because like, you know, when you open the door in the morning or just like anytime you look at your door, you see it. And I've learned oh my goodness, and I've heard many different places that it's best to put a vision board somewhere where you see it at least 2 times a day. I feel like I see this twice a day. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put both of our vision boards on the door because it's like the perfect size for 2. Well, come on in, cutie. I brought out a paper plate because I'm gonna put the Mod Podge on it and he thinks it's food. So I'm bringing a paper plate to like put the Mod Podge on. And I really, really, really want to get one of those things that Bob Ross has where it's like the paint is like in its own little like thing, you know, that you like hold like this and you go like, doo-doo. Use on most surfaces. Brush foam application. Cure time. I don't know what cure time is. Okay.
You know what cure time means, Bob? Cure time is the time that it takes from mixing the 2-part epoxy until the composite has reached its full strength.
Oh, so my mom just told me that cure time means 4 weeks for it to like reach its like full strength. Now we're going to start applying the Mod Podge and putting on our pictures. And by the way, remember I said that I like planned it out ahead of time and I like took a picture of it? I took the picture on my phone, which I film on, and so if I keep looking at this, that's because I'm looking at the picture. I'm gonna start at the bottom with the goats because I feel like the bottom is like a good place to like start. It's kind of weird because I'm like telling you guys how to do this, but like I've never done this before. It'll turn out great. If it doesn't, then I won't be posting this, so that's how you know. I don't know if I should have it be like overlapping the sides or not. I think I will try to do that as much as I can. It kind of smells like eucalyptus. I'm gonna be taking another one of these spongy brushes to kind of like brush it down and smooth it because I don't want to use my hand, and I think this works well. I put like basically like enough to where you can see the Mod Podge on the canvas like that. See how it like glistens? For this first layer, we're just going to be putting on the photos, and then once it's all done, then we're going to be doing like the Mod Podge on the top because I did get the glossy Mod Podge. Look how pretty this is. Credits to Teza on Instagram. So I'm putting that over the goats. I am terrified right now, guys, because I do not want to get this on my pants because that would be totally something I would do. By the way, these are the pants I'm wearing. Brand Novel Crispinas. So yeah. Come on in. It honestly sticks like super fast. That's why like I kind of get nervous. Like you have to make sure it's like perfect before you stick it down. So I want to do like not a Q&A but like a mini chat session here. So yeah, we are so close to 2K. Thank you guys so much. I'm literally like so excited to hit 2K. I know we'll hit it very, very soon. Let's just see, can we get it to 2K before the end of August. The next picture I'm gonna do is this one of someone surfing. It looks so beautiful. Look how pretty the sunset is. This is a cute happy face I found that says be kind. See, the happy face is just not sticking today. It's not doing well. It's just, he's kind of peeling. I do not think that you should apply the glue to the back of the picture. I think you should apply it to this, like how I'm doing with this picture, because when I applied it to the back of the picture, that happened to the happy face and he looks like kind of sad now. This picture that I'm adding right now is like one of my favorite pictures. It's basically like a butterfly literally landed on her hand and it looks so pretty. Look how pretty that looks. Bob Ross is inspiring me right now with my painting with glue because I really can't paint that well. I wish I could be a good painter or a good watercolor person, but honestly, when I'm watercoloring, I just do like random patterns. I can't like make a pretty flower or anything. Like I see all these people making like all these cool creations and I'm like, I want to do that. Every single time I try it, I can't do it. Look how cute that is. Wherever this is, please tell me where it is if you know, because I want to go there. I'm going to be putting that right next to the other butterfly. I'm kind of obsessed with butterflies. Yesterday I woke up and Instagram has new fonts that are awesome, by the way. And today I woke up and Instagram has Instagram Reels, which is like really cool. This picture that I also found on Pinterest, it says one day, like one day, you know, like dreaming. One day or day one, you decide. And I was like, wow, like literally that's just inspiring, you know? So I'm gonna be putting that. So this is what I have so far and it looks so cute. And then right above here, I think like right there, I'm gonna be putting my channel because I was thinking about like editing it to say like 1 million subscribers or something like that. But I just wanted to be able to like see it and see how far I've grown like every single day. And I think that looks like so cute. Also, I like cut it out so that like the Lulu fox looks like it's like coming at you, you know, like 3D. Strategic. It's looking so cute. This is the next picture I am putting on. Again, I have literally no idea why, but it's just too cute not to. So I am pretty much almost done with my vision board. I kind of messed up and I was supposed to put a picture underneath the cats and I ended up not doing that on accident. So I'm just gonna kind of like go crazy now and just do whatever I think looks great. Now that I put myself in this pickle, I just kind of have to wing it, so. I did not know I was recording. Now that I have every single thing glued on, and also look how cute this looks, I'm gonna add the final touch, which is butterflies. And I'm so excited. I wanted to do this part on camera. I'm just like so excited to put this like right up here. It looks so cute. I'm so excited to have that. Only 2 more butterflies to go. If you guys try this out, please tell me in the comments because I would love to see it. And you can also DM me a picture on Instagram or Pinterest. Ah, it looks amazing. I'm very proud of myself. I really just slapped myself. I'm gonna put this on my door, but before I do that, I'm gonna wait about 20 to 30 minutes and then I'm gonna do the full coat and then I will show you guys what it looks and I'm gonna stick it on my door. This is the aftermath of filming and crafting. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. And if you make one of these, please tell me and show me what yours looks like. I really hope you guys enjoy making this with me. Keep smiling and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So yeah, we just got we, meeting my family. And let's just get right on into this video. My voice just like gave out. What? I haven't even been talking for that long. Like buying a goat or owning a farm or having a cute house like this. Obviously this is like way in the future, but may as well put it in my goals.